Do you find it super annoying that you have to download the images you create with dall-e as a WebP and then, I don't know, upload them to Canva and then convert them into JPEGs or PNGs? It does take time, but I just found a Chrome extension that will allow you to do it from the Chat GPT window. So let me put my glasses on, change my screen, and I'll show you how. Okay, so I have this leprechaun because it is St. Patrick's Day when I'm recording this video. I've got this leprechaun, and if I want to download it, as you can see, it's going to download as a WebP. But even if I want to save it, if I right click on it, it will again be that WebP that dall-e always produces. But here's how we can download them as JPEGs or PNG files. So we're going to open a new Google Chrome window. We're going to click on the three dots here and go to extensions and visit a Chrome Web Store. And then we are going to type save image as type. And we're going to click on this extension, and we're just going to add this extension to our Chrome. And that's about all you need to do. Then we're going to go back to our image, to dall-e, and we're going to refresh it so it can actually take the new extension. And all you need to do is right click on your image, come down here where it says save image as type. This is your extension. And then you can see you can either save it as a JPEG or you can save it as a PNG. Of course, you can save it as a WebP, but who wants that? So basically, you do not have to do anything else and save a lot of time by just using this little extension. I'm going to put a link to this extension in the video below, and please subscribe to my channel because I always bring you all these cool little tips and tricks about AI, and I just don't want you to miss it.